see you smiling from miles away. You're the girl who makes me feel this way. The way you're shining on a rainy day, make the world a little better place.
Hey you guys, so I have another beautiful unit and I got it via DHL. Now this wig is from OMGqueen Hair.com. You guys know I worked with them plenty of times before and I absolutely love their company. The shipping was super fast and I love their packaging. Like, look at that cute pink and black box. Very, very sleek. Absolutely love it. So inside of the package, I did receive a wig stand, which is pink, and that is my favorite color. So yes, thank you OMGqueen. I could always use wig stands because girls, these wigs be piling up and I need some place to put them. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got in my package. And I also received this elastic band, which I thought was very unique because it has clips on it, and I'll show you guys that later on in the video. So this is the packaging that my wig came in. I was trying to show you that their logo and all of the information is actually on the bag itself, but my camera wouldn't focus. So here's the wig, you guys. This is a lace front wig. You don't get a lot of parting space, or you know, just not a lot of parting space, but it's okay because the style of this unit is absolutely gorgeous. So you do get 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back along with adjustable straps, and it does have lace in the back just in case you want to, you know, put it up in a little updo. But yeah, it's perfectly fine the way it is, so I didn't even bother with that lace in the back. So remember in the beginning of the video where I showed you guys the elastic band that the wig comes in? Well, I looked at the wig itself and this is what that band connects to, and I thought that was so unique. I've never seen that on a wig before. They actually give you the option, which you don't really need it because the wig is secure without it, but I thought I'd just show you guys how to put it on. There is a clip on each side that you can attach this wig band to, or well, rather this elastic band to, and I just thought that was really nice, and also it adjusts. So yeah, thumbs up OMGqueen for that one. So trying the wig on for the first time, yes ladies, it is big head friendly, and like I always say, don't cut your lace before trying the wig on because you just want to make sure you can fit it. And when I put this wig on, I was like, oh my god, this wig is super pretty. The hair is so soft, the lace is nice and soft, everything was just absolutely perfect. So I did go ahead and use the combs, and I also used the elastic band, and let me tell you, using those really helped this wig to lay down flat and just look so realistic. I didn't have to put anything in a parting space. All I did was cut the lace just, you know, as close to the hairline as I can get. I did show you guys that in a previous video, but you want to cut as close to the hairs as possible. Just be careful that you don't cut the actual hairs itself because you could, you know, mess up the wig. You don't want to do that, especially after spending your coins. So the baby hairs that came on this wig were okay, but I thought they were a little too long, so I went in and just cut those down really short, and that is just about it. Like, I didn't have to do anything to this wig. I'm actually still wearing it today. I wore it in the shower, and the curls are so popping and so pretty. I didn't have to add any product to this unit. As you can see, those curls are so lustrous. Is that a word? Lustrous? What's the word now? But yeah, I didn't have to do anything to this wig. And if you guys like this unit, don't forget to check down below in the description box. There should be some coupon codes down there for you guys to use, get some money off. I believe it's like 30% off or something like that. But yeah, everything will be in the description box. And let me know how you guys like this unit. Do you like it? It's based on the Rihanna Wild Thoughts video, and I just thought it was absolutely perfect. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Nothing beats it when you call my name. My